Okay, so we do all this. And then I'm going to get him to roll over on his back. Roll over. Roll over. I'm going to help him out because with the camera rolling, I'm in a hurry. I don't have time to sit here and wait till he does what I ask. Roll. Stay. 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 This is him being a good boy. Very good. Usually he does this on his own, but it takes a lot of coaxing. He does not like doing it when he's wet. He also doesn't like doing it on top of rocks. And it takes a lot of coaxing and a lot of work and a lot of time. And with this camera rolling, it's going to be hell to load all these pictures and videos. Stay. Another video there, guys, of him being a good boy.